The youth lending program is implemented by the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection of the Republic of Kazakhstan within the framework of the National Project for the Development of Entrepreneurship for 2021 to 2025. As an authorized representative agent of the Agrarian Credit Corporation within the framework of the program of providing small loans to young people, receiving documents, evaluating business projects, preparing loan and collateral agreements, transferring the loan amount to the borrower, checking the intended use of the loan, making settlements with the borrower, responsible for accepting payments from the recipient, dealing with overdue debts and reporting to authorized bodies. Small loans are aimed at supporting young entrepreneurs from 21 to 35 years old. At the time of application, young people have been registered as an individual entrepreneur for no more than 5 years. Working youth can also participate in the program. Credit conditions. Loan amount, up to 5 million tenge. Interest rate, 2.5% per annum. Loan term, for livestock development up to 7 years, for other areas of business up to 5 years. A grace period of up to 1/3 of the term of the small loan is provided for repayment of principal debt and interest. The loan must be covered by collateral. Movable, special equipment, and immovable property are accepted as collateral. In the absence of collateral property, the guarantor, parents, relatives, etc., can be involved. To apply, documents must be submitted to the branch of Agrarian Credit Corporation (JSC). The address of the branches is shown on the website agrocredit.kz. List of required documents. Identity document. Business plan for the project. Certificates confirming the existence of an account from the bank providing the service. Certificates from financial organizations, in the case of credit, about the existence of credit debt, including overdue debt. A document confirming the salary and/or other income of the participant/candidate, excerpt from the accumulated pension fund. Collateral property evaluation report. Mortgager and collateral security documents.